Good afternoon, guys. Continue for the previous class. Elements of mechtronic systems. Elements of mechtronic system means first one. A typical mechtronics element system consists of the mechanical systems and electrical systems and information technologies. Okay, these information technologies means either depending upon input and output devices. Input and output device. A typical mechtronic system such as servo motors and humanoid robot consists of consists of mechanical elements. That means servo motors. Not only for the servo motors, different types of motors is there. Motors is the input or output device. Motor is a input device, output devices. Okay, motor is a every motors we have to output devices. But what is the input device? Input device means as a switches. Okay, like a switch. That is a and sensors. That is a sensors or switch. That is the input devices. Servo motor is the output device. Humanoid robot. Humanoid robot means these servo motors we have to interface into some robotics. Okay, that is called as mechanical elements. And next, actuators and sensors and controllers, signals conducting device, computers and software interfacing and power device. Okay, so these elements of mechatronic systems. So guys, see that this is a mechanical engineering and mechatronics. Mechatronics mainly how to dividing. First one, mechanical engineering, computer engineering, control engineering and electrical engineering. Okay, these concepts we have to see that the data. This is a totally entire digital cameras, washing machines, ATMs, anti-clock braking systems, CNC mission tools. CNC mission tools means it is a real-time product designing, machine designing. Okay, CNC means machines designing. Okay, that is the first. The key elements of the mechatronic systems can be classified under the category. That means totally six types. Okay, totally six types. First one, information technology, mechanical systems, electrical systems, computer systems, sensors and actuators, and real-time interfacing. Okay, so already we have to discussing some previous class. Okay, each and everything mechanical systems. These mechanical systems you enter to these block diagrams, and these block diagrams mean actuators, sensors, input output devices, general control purpose. These enter the concept of the elements of mechtronics. Next, mechtronics designing approaches. Mechtronic designing approaches means it's totally modeling and simulations. Modeling and simulations. Next, second one is a prototyping. Third one is a development. Okay, prototyping, development, and modeling and simulations. So these are mainly three types. Okay, mainly three types. Next, these three types are depending upon some modulations. Some modulation. First one, what is the first one? Is a modeling and simulations. These physical systems are represented by suitable mobile describing the behavior and characteristics such as a block diagram and numerical and computer simulations methods. Okay, that means physical system means suitable model designing, describing behavior, characteristics, block diagram, numerical and computer simulations. Computer simulations, that means it is a totally depending upon digital equipment. Digital equipment. The digital equipment means numerical or computer simulations. Numerical values means A to Z or another value star, delta, numerical unwanted numerical values also. Next, computer. Computer is totally depending upon assembling language. Okay, assembling language means like a header folders, compiler. Okay, that is the computer law simulations. That is a machine levels language. Okay, next, prototyping. Prototyping means it has a process of replacing a non-computer system, which can be hardware sensors and actuators integrated with input and output signals. It's connected with models. That means prototyping means if you want to real time product. Okay, if we want real time product, these real time product we have to how to implementations and how to controlling, then how to designing. Okay, these sample product, you have to designing some sample product, that is called as prototype device. Sample product, that is called as prototype device. So these prototype device, that is final year btech major or mini projects, that is a prototype projects, not a, not a for a real time products, that is a prototype. Okay, either real time or prototype, that is called as academic projects. Academic projects. Next, developments means developments and life cycle. This is associated with the final product, the embedded software development and like life cycle. Okay, this development product means entire project, we have to developing some project. Okay, these project after development, then how to working, next how to working, then what is the taken components, then how to designing, how to write the programming, how to dumping to programming, each and everything we have to uh, mention in development equipments. Okay, next, go for systems, a group of physical components combined, a group of physical components combined to perform their specific functions. A system can be considered as a box has input and output device. So voice group of physical components combined to perform a specific functions. That means if we have to any taken one of the input device, for example blackboard. Okay, what's the purpose of blackboard? Blackboard is either read purpose or write purpose. That means either input device or output device, that is a blackboard. Okay, next is consider box as the input or output device, that is the example of the blackboard. Next, measurement system can be considered as a system into that is used to measure the required parameter and a quantity being the measure the given to input and output, the value of the quantity obtained with also output device. So we have to designing some product size, flexibility, cost, product value, each and everything. Next, next go for second, next point. Control systems can be considered as a device that is used to control output of the system in desired value. That means controller means control. If you have to any output device, you have to controlling some extra inputs or wire communication or wireless communications and sensors and switch conditions. Okay, that is called as a, that is called as a systems. Okay, next, go for sensors. These sensors has to measurement in the physical parameters and change into the signals in sensing element and the contact with the object or process, and the provide the output which depend upon the variations in the process. Okay, that means sensor is the input devices, not output devices. These sensors we have to, when we are to detecting the object, automatically we can control in the some output device. Okay, that is called as a sensors means you have to use it for the number of sensors is there. Okay, you have to explain after lockdown and each and everything, how to only one class is continue for the only sensor purpose. Okay, next, go for types of sensors. See that active and passive sensors, digital versus analog sensors, null and deflection methods. Okay, null and deflection methods. Active and passive sensors. Active sensors require to the external source in the power execution voltage that is provided has the majority in output power of the signals. Active sensors. Active sensors means like a IR sensors, PAR sensors. Okay. Next, LDR sensors, temperature sensors. We have to totally depending upon some active sensors. And passive sensors means the output device almost entirely it's provided as a measured by the digital without the extensions voltage. Okay, that means Sensors already how to explain. Sensors is mainly analog and digital. Analog sensors is there, digital sensors is there. These analog sensors only for the logic 0 and logic 1, and digital sensors means totally it's depending upon exact value that is called as a types of sensors. Okay, next class you have to continue for the characteristics of mechtronics.